Today, we're going to show you how to make off shoulders. First, cut the upper shoulder through the neck up to its end. Sew the raw fabric to give it a nice end. Stitch the elastic. To do so, grab the elastic, stretch it but not too tight, then roll it in. Then, insert it to the bobbin case. Make it up to 3 layers. After doing so, measure it from the hem up. In this case, it's about 9 inches. Then, stitch the elastic. Everything was fine until... Ouch! I freaked myself and I was... But I thought... But it didn't happen, so I continued sewing with my injured finger. After the elastic was attached in 8 layers, grab the tape measure and measure it from the hem. Then mark it. Then cut it. Then sew it. This is the final product. And I don't know why I started dancing. And sometimes start taking picture and I was like, and like Thanks for watching! If you like this video, we have a playlist here.